Welcome everyone on how to import and add IP address information or IP range information into your new Micetro environment. So as you can see, we have Micetro up and running here. I don't have a lot of information yet input into this brand new installation. It comes by default with these two IP ranges, and we're going to go ahead and show how we can add some more information very quickly. So we're under the IPAM tab here. We'll click on Action and Import. We're just going to import some networks from a CSV file I've already created to show how quickly this works. I do just have a notepad open with some information in it. We do in our documentation have templates, so you can see what this should look like. You can use spaces, commas, semicolons, pipes, all sorts of ways to separate this information out. You can also have more custom headers, custom properties up here as well. And we'll talk a little bit more about custom properties in a different video. But we'll go ahead and click Next. And you'll notice it's not doing anything. Well, that's because I do have some issues. I don't have necessarily the right spacing here. I'm not using tabs. The tabs are in a weird place. I'm using spaces instead of tabs. So if we get rid of that range, we should then be able to go ahead and click Next. And here we go. Now we see that everything is separating out and it's working. If I did have other errors, I could see those errors here as well. And obviously, if you want to go ahead and correct those IP ranges, you can see where they are and correct those before moving on. But we'll go ahead and click Import and Close. And now you can see I have all of my IP ranges in here, including my IPv6. So you can see the nested ranges by clicking on the caret there. If I wanted to see a flat view, I could click on the flat view, but I like the site or boundary view, see those nested ranges. And like I said, we'll talk more about the custom properties like you see up here, the column headers, and right here. If we were to click in a range, I can see all of the IP address information. Of course, it's all listed as free right now, but some of them may be claimed or reserved or assigned, are some of the different states that are available. Now, of course, there are ways to manually add a network as well. If I just go in and add any sort of network, include the site or boundary. Here I can check whether I want to reserve the network and broadcast addresses. So basically it's reserving that .0 and that .255 since this is a /24. If I were to uncheck it, then it would use the whole range, but we'll leave that checked for now. Click Next. I can give it a title. And a description, should I so choose, and then click Finish, and it will open me right up into that IP address range. And here we get all of our information once again. You can see other information like utilization very easily. We will go through using things like SNMP, ICMP if you allow ping on your network, and then of course LLDP to make sure that this is just a rock solid database. Thanks everyone for watching, and we'll cover more on DNS and DHCP as well as custom properties in our next videos. So we'll see you there.